Hey, it's Liberty, and I'm at the McDonald's on Highway 41 right by Bob's Gym, and I hear that there's a new way that you can order your food that doesn't involve someone at the counter. So we're gonna try this out, and we're gonna see if a 10-year-old can do it.
Hi.
If he can use this new self-service kiosk at McDonald's all by himself.
Okay, welcome to McDonald's. I'm your man, Ricardo Roberts. They call me Rico. Thank you for choosing McDonald's today. So basically what this is, it's a big old tablet, big old little game system. It's almost like a game system, you know what I mean? So you press that, take out. So based on the good terms, what this is the menu up there. This is the menu compacted and better navigate your way through it. It's self-explanatory, and it helps you create your own meal to where you know it's gonna be right. Because especially if we get packed in the kitchen, so it helps both of us in both ways. You have all the burgers, you have the beverages, you have the condiments, treats, sweet treats, you have the fries and sides, you have the dollar menu, and the everyday breakfast and the value menu. So it kind of breaks it down for you, so you have a better understanding of what you want through the day. Alrighty. So what this is, it goes through all the steps. So it gives you a choice to choose your second side, because it starts with a fry. It chooses your second side, your toy, and then a drink. So go ahead and choose what side. Press that, you get extra fries. We'll go right back to soft drinks, cold drinks. We're gonna go all the way to soft. You want a soft drink, right? So we're going to soft drinks. So let's say you would pick this. It should give you a chance to choose whatever size. So go ahead and choose your size. All right. So now here's where we come. You see how we have all the customization? So basically, cheeseburger, if you want, just give you a chance to add anything or take anything away. So let's say you wanted to add more than one. You press up, you add extra. If you wanted none, you press minus again, and then minus again to where it says none. But we're gonna go to regular, you know what I mean? Because I know you don't want anything different. All right, so you wanna apply the changes, that make sure it has applied to what you wanted or done. Now, this gives you a breakdown of your order to where it shows you how many calories. It shows you a breakdown of what you got to make sure you put everything right that you wanted. It even gives you a chance to go back and edit it one more time. So we're gonna go there. See, it gives you a chance to go back and edit it one last time. If you have everything you want, you press save. Goes right back. Then you proceed to checkout. As you see, it tells you your total down there. You either pay here or account need to eat in. These are censored under. There's 4 zones. Because zone number 1 is over there. Zone number 2 is right here. Zone 3 is right in the middle and right here. And zone 4 is right outside, directly outside. As you see, we have the table sitting outside. So that's pretty much the breakdown of all our kiosks and our new development. It actually created table service too. We refill drinks, we bring the food out and everything.